Hello guys, we are back. UST schools, usage, law schools, Master of Engineering, postgraduate webinars, and for a professional considering postgraduate customers in engineering management or investment engineering management and engineering. So this is the part of this is the part of schools of never on. So chat about your cursor option with our academies, whether you were interested in management or technical course or just talking it slow with graduate certification. We are born to have a cursor to suit you. Join us the energizing sessions here. More about how to conserve will keep you relevant in involving industries. Discuss to question you about and many. Cursor series application are open for domestic student via my student portal. Please make sure you have correct and please check the step apply and come back on your stage. So and on knowledge of country UST and knowledge to get will people to extra nations the bro brand people the drive nation to or difficult people to comment the people upon whose articles and best of go the studies after related so business. First of all, I'll select in business and business. Tomorrow, business leaders need to think differently. At UTS, you will learn how to indifferently and apply solution to complex problems that don't even exist yet. Postgraduate business option. Find a cursor, download a cursor guides and upload your business option, but I don't need no. So this is the best option. You want apply for a postgraduate course. So get in the touch. UTS Business School news. Follow business knowledge of currency UTS and knowledge. So business is e-commerce, finance, management, marketing, undergraduate internship, MBA programs, postgraduate business. accounting, business and rich programs, economics, finance, management, marketing, upgrade business program, internships, MBA programs. This is the best of your ways, and you will start off easily in your problems that don't even exist yet. Find a course, postgraduate business options. So I hope you enjoy this video. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. More videos, please. Thank you.